आज हम इस वीडियो पे देखेंगे व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्ट्रेस एंड स्ट्रेंथ. So many of you commented me about the difference between stress and strength. So today is the day we are going to discuss for stress and strength, the difference between stress and strength. We know that stress is what? Stress is sigma is equal to force applied to the cross-sectional area A. Means directly we can say stress is depends upon load and area. Load means the F, this is the load, and area is the A. Okay, so stress is directly depends upon the load and area. And what is the strength? It depends upon material of the body. So which kind of material of the body is, that depends upon the strength, and it is depends upon the properties of material. What kind of properties are there material, that it is depends upon. So here we can say stress is not a property of material. So here the second point is stress is not a property of material, but here strength is a property of a material. Okay, it is a property of a material. We can stress is the tensile quantity, and we can say it depends on normal and parallel force act on it. ओके, और लिख सकते हैं स्ट्रेस का कोई डिवाइस नहीं है, no device to measure stress, and here the strength is we can say yield strength, the ultimate strength. इसका जो yield strength है और ultimate strength है वो फिक्स है. Yield strength and ultimate strength are fixed always. We have to remember these things. Okay, there is no big difference between stress and strength. Basically stress depends upon the load and the area, but strength depends upon the material properties. Okay, so it is not a property of material, but here the strength is the property of a material. It is a tensile quantity. It depends upon the normal and parallel force act on it. There is no device to measure the stress. Here you can see the strength is basically yield strength, ultimate strength, and this yield strength and ultimate strength are fixed always. Means there is a fixed point of a material, that point is known as yield point or the ultimate point, where the material is going to break that point. It will not be regain its original shape and size, it will be face the damage, okay, the breakage. Thank you to all of you for watching this video. See you in the next video.